Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, and leave your comments. I do love to read your comments. Y'all, Nancy Pelosi says that the House will be going home for recess, but she will stay in Washington working. As long as she's been in Washington working, wouldn't you think something would have gotten done by now? If I worked that slow, I would never keep a job. The House has passed a resolution to keep the government running until the end of the year, so that they can still get paid. The Senator still has to vote on it and get it passed before it goes to the President. It's looking like they will vote on it and get it passed, send it to the President. The President will sign it right away, if that hadn't already happened by the time you see this video. But what I would like to see in this resolution is for Mitch McConnell just to sit on it. You know, like he sat on everything else and did nothing. He could do that to this until Nasty Nancy agrees to a stimulus bill. You know, the way she is holding Americans hostage right now by not giving us the stimulus that we need. Let's do the same thing to her with this resolution that she wants to get passed. I bet she would agree to something a little faster. There was supposed to be a small bill passed with PPP money, but she's blocked it. Everything that's going to help the American people bounce back, she blocks. She flat does not want to help anyone if she can't get her way 100% of the way. Y'all, it has gotten so bad that Nancy's own people in the House is voting to overthrow her and get her removed from office. We can only wish. As you remember, Nancy Pelosi introduced a bill, a $2.2 trillion package. But she wouldn't tell anyone what's in that package, just the price tag. She's asking for a blank check. Nobody in their right mind would give that woman a blank check. Heck, for that matter, I wouldn't give anyone a blank check. So now she's agreed to reveal what's in that proposal. She agreed to this several days ago. So when is she going to do it? When is she going to reveal what's in that proposal and bring it to the floor for a vote? There must be something in there she's not wanting us to know about. I do know she won't get a blank check. Y'all, I have something I want to tell y'all about right now. It is the $1,000 giveaway on this channel. We're about 22,000 people away from getting to 100,000 subscribers. Once we get there, I'm going to have a $1,000 giveaway. For 10 days, one person will get $100 for 10 days. The way this is going to work is, once we get to that point where I've got 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to take the previous day's video and I'm going to pick one person from the comments they will get $100. The next day, I will do the same thing. I will pick one person from the previous day. That person will get $100. Then something really big. You know, I'm closing down my other channel, and I'm going to bring those videos here. Well, I also had a giveaway over there for $500. Since we won't be doing that channel, I'm bringing that $500 over here. On the 11th day, one person will get $500. And the same thing, they have to watch every video for those 11 days to see if they won. And I will pick someone from the previous day. Now that $500, on the 11th day, I will bring that over here. Now, sometime during that week, don't know what day of that week, that person will win $500. So, the 10 days for the $100, you're going to have to watch all 10 days of the videos to see if you won. Then on the 11th day, we're going for the $500. For that next week, you're going to have to watch every video there to see when I call that winning person for $500. It will be sometime in that next week. It could be the first day, it could be the last day, it could be one of the days in between. You just got to watch every video to know if you won or not. Y'all, if you're not subscribed to this channel and you're just watching this for the first time, you need to subscribe. Then you will have a chance to win either $100 or $500. And also, if you already won the $100, you can still qualify to get the $500. So you have a chance of winning $600. I don't know if anybody else doing anything like that. Y'all, please subscribe to this channel. I mean, the more people subscribe, the faster this can happen. I would like for it to happen before the end of the year. And I think it very well could. Y'all, please watch my video at 9 a.m. It's how to make money online. And right now, we all need to make money. Online money is good money. I guarantee you that. Please check out my new book. It's in the links below. Pick that up and help me out. And an update on Amy. She is doing so much better. We got out and went to the store today. We went several places today, and she is not taking that pain medicine no more for her back. Last night she said she didn't want to take it because she's going to sleep anyway. Okay, this morning she said she didn't want to take it before we left because it gives her a headache and makes her dizzy. She said it makes her loopy. So she didn't take it then. So I'm not even going to ask her does she want to take that pain medicine anymore. When she needs it, I guess she'll tell me. But she is doing a lot better. Y'all, please subscribe to this channel and please come back at 9 a.m. to watch the money video. Y'all, please help me out with that video because YouTube is not pushing that video out to people. It's just people that happens to see it and see my name and they're wanting to help me and watch it. Until enough people starts watching those videos, YouTube will not push them out. So y'all, please help me if you can and watch those. Even if you're not interested, click on it and let it start playing to get past that video, that commercial video at the beginning. Just get past that and then click off of it. It would help me out tremendously. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Take a chance on winning that money. You could win $100. You could win $500, or you could win $600 when the channel reaches 100,000 subscribers. I want that silver play button, back there where that book cover is, right there where I'm pointing, that's where I'm going to put it, so everybody can see it, because you will be a part of that plaque. Y'all, I love you all. Until the next time, don't forget the 9 o'clock video. I love you all. Ciao.